What's up, HGTV? I'm Ben Napier from HGTV's hometown.
And I'm Jay Pickens from HGTV digital series CJ Work. Welcome to my wood shop.
This is my wood shop.
It's ours.
Still my wood shop. Better bring your A game. I'm gonna show you how to do a really simple project. It's our Scotsman Co. serving tray. We'll show you all how it's done. So the first step is getting your wood prepped. We try to use all old wood flooring that's been in bad shape. This came off of a porch. We do need to cut the tongue and groove off some of these. So now we're gonna do something cool. So we've got all these cool sleds and stuff that we've built, serving tray ends, and these are nice because they keep your fingers safe. So now we've got all four sides, so let's work on our bottom. So you need to take your side pieces, and you need to measure, so 17 and 1/16. What you can do is each one of your boards, you can measure it and mark it, so 17 and a 16th. Since we use old flooring, it usually takes 4 pieces to make the bottom. So now, dry fit it all together. What I usually do is I'll glue it up and then I'll just brad nail it together. But if you don't have a brad nailer, you can use clamps, and if you don't have clamps, you can use duct tape. Once it's all dry, then you want to sand your edges around and you just soften it up a little bit so it doesn't cut anybody and there's no splinters. We take our brand here, and there we go. We put a coat of poly on it, and then it's ready to serve sweet tea.
We've designed this cool, modern stool, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. To make this stool, we've got all the parts set out. The first thing that we're gonna do is pre-drill the medium pieces. We're gonna make a mark on the center of each leg on both sides, 1 inch in. Using a number 6 countersink pre-drill, drill away. Woo! That ash is hot. Happy birthday. Next step, turn each piece towards your body. Repeat that same process, except mark it 3/4 of an inch in on the center. On to step 2, assembly. Using your 1/8 inch drill bit and your trusty drill, put a pilot hole through the countersink that you already made into this piece. And go ahead and screw this piece in. Repeat this process on all 4 sides. Okay, 1 frame complete. Now we're gonna just take that whole process and do it again. Congratulations! Yay, you got your frames made. Turn those puppies up, grab your smaller pieces, place them like so. Squeeze this together. Repeat the process that we just used to create the frames to attach these smaller pieces all the way around. That's all assembled, set it aside. Bring out our seat. On to staining. Okay, now I've got it to the color that I want, so just read the instructions on whatever stain you bought to know how long you need to wait for it to dry. Seat's dry, now all we gotta do is attach it to this bad boy. Take some of your wood glue, like so, put it down. Use the same countersink to put 2 holes in each side to screw the seat to the base. Here's the change. We're using this 2-inch screw to attach the seat because the 2.5-inch screws from before are too long. They'll go all the way through and you'll end up with a screw in the ash. For a finishing touch, add some plugs to fill the screw holes. Ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Easy modern furniture that you can do yourself.